Welcome to Bike Buzzin'. Today we're diving into a motorcycle that has captivated enthusiasts for decades, the Triumph TR6R Bobber. This classic ride is not just a piece of automotive history, it's a testament to the art of customization and the undying spirit of the bobber community. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Triumph TR6R Bobber has a story that will resonate with anyone who appreciates the blend of vintage design and modern performance. History of the Triumph TR6R. Before we delve into the bobber transformation, let's take a quick look at the origins of the Triumph TR6R. The TR6R, also known as the Trophy 650, was a part of Triumph's legendary line of motorcycles that became iconic in the 1960s and 1970s. Known for its robust 649cc parallel twin engine, this bike was a favorite among riders for its power, agility, and classic British styling. It was designed for both street and off-road use, making it a versatile choice for riders of that era. The bobber transformation. Now, what makes the Triumph TR6R so special in the bobber world? The answer lies in its transformation. The bobber style, which originated in the post-World War II era, is all about stripping down a motorcycle to its bare essentials. This means removing any unnecessary components, shortening the rear fender, and giving it a more aggressive stance. When the TR6R undergoes this process, it becomes a lean, mean riding machine that showcases the raw beauty of its engine and frame. Engine and performance. Underneath the custom bobber exterior, the TR6R boasts a 649cc parallel twin engine, renowned for its smooth power delivery and reliability. This engine, coupled with a 4-speed gearbox, offers a riding experience that is both exhilarating and manageable. The simplicity of the bobber design emphasizes the engine's classic lines and mechanical artistry, giving it a timeless appeal. On the road, the TR6R Bobber offers a blend of torque and speed that makes every ride feel like a journey back in time, without sacrificing modern performance. Custom bobber aesthetics. The aesthetics of a TR6R Bobber are truly a sight to behold. Most customizers opt for a minimalist approach, often incorporating features like solo seats, low handlebars, and custom paint jobs. The frame is usually modified to lower the bike's center of gravity, giving it that signature bobber stance. Spoked wheels, vintage tires, and stripped-down bodywork complete the look, making each TR6R Bobber a unique piece of art. The beauty of this motorcycle lies in its simplicity and the owner's ability to put a personal stamp on it. Conclusion. The Triumph TR6R Bobber is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of style, individuality, and a nod to the golden era of motorcycling. It's a bike that has been cherished by generations and continues to inspire new riders and customizers. Whether you're drawn to its classic lines, its custom potential, or the thrill of the ride, the TR6R Bobber stands as a timeless icon in the world of two wheels. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of the Triumph TR6R Bobber. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Bike Buzzin'. Until next time, ride safe and keep the spirit of the open road alive. That's all for today's episode on Bike Buzzin'. If you have any experiences with the Triumph TR6R Bobber or questions about this iconic ride, drop a comment below. We love hearing from our fellow riders and enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more motorcycle content coming your way.